or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is going to be another fun vlog, more of a traveling vlog, but today we are going somewhere very different and in a very unique experience from college. So I am a part of a theater play. So we are going to go to Davangere for that. So I'm going to take you along in this 3 day journey. We start today and we end on Sunday. So today is Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. So we have three shows, two on Saturday and one on Sunday. So I am leaving to college now so that because we have rehearsals and then we have like a few maybe dinner and then bus at 8:30. I don't know, but quite exciting, very unique. So this is my first time doing all this, so I will make you meet my friends. There's one more person who's going to be vlogging with me, so stay tuned and I will see you guys later. We look so homeless. We are traveling, that's why. Are you excited? She's the mother
Of Einstein only.
mother.
No one else.
Okay guys, we'll see you in some time. How do you feel about
What?
all this going to Davangere and how is
I'm
the energy?
excited. I'm going with my students, so it's really nice and I'm very excited. ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಲೆಗಳು ಏನೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ. ಬರೋ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಗೋಗಿರ್ತೀನೋ ಏನೋ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ನಾಟಕ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಡೂ 3 shows ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Purvi Akka, how do you feel going to Davangere?
I feel. See, guys, basically, I feel dosa. That is there. We're going for Davangere Benne dosa.
Everybody wants food, nothing else.
3 shows. It's a big task. First time 3 shows continuous ಆಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು.
Everybody shouting because dinner came.
Damanto. So yeah, we're gonna rock it.
What do you feel about going to Davangere for Einstein?
Not excited.
ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆಗೆ
That is main thing, guys.
ಏನಂತಾರೆ ರೀಇನ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ. ಸಣ್ಣ ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ದೋಸೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ.
Okay, so say something.
ದೋಸೆ ಆಸೆಯಿಂದ.
I'm so excited to go to Davangere. This will go on our YouTube vlog, you know.
ಇದೇನು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸೇಷನ್
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ.
ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
So guys, we are currently resting for some time. Okay. She wants to talk.
ಯಾಕೆ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ.
She's only interested in eating.
ಏನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು
Anyways, so we are currently waiting for our dinner, and again, and then we are probably going to around 8:30. We are going on bus. We'll see if that happens on 8:30. So, so yes, I will meet you guys when we are having dinner.
Hello.
All set? All set?
Yes. Not yet. What do you say? ETA.
So we are in a kind of dorm. I don't know what it is called. And she has bought a key, car key. ಈಗ ರಾತ್ರಿ 2:15 ಕಾರ್ ಕೀ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. Good morning. What time is it?
Time 7:47. 31.
Okay, it's 7:31. We woke up at 6:30. I woke up at 6:30. I don't know about these two. This one has become cameraman only. She just had a bath and she's like, Mukha chanagila. Anyways, so our show is at 11 o'clock. We'll have a dry run in some time. And after that, we are going to get ready. First to breakfast. And all the akkas are shaking. Purvi akka. So that is what is going on. And I will see you at breakfast. Guys, we are all getting ready right now. So we are finishing our makeup and all that stuff. So Our show is at 11 o'clock. It is this 10:17, so quickly getting ready. Not much time, so she's putting me braid because I'm a boy in the Nataka. Everybody is getting ready. So, Bebber,
Yes.
do you have anything to say before the show?
Justice to Mileva.
Our Mr. Einstein, do you have anything to say before the...
ಕೈ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
All of us are ready for the show. Let's go. This first show is done, and it was a very nice show. Everybody enjoyed it.
They're pausing. Very nice show. Everybody enjoyed it. What happened to your
Mustache? Never mind. Guys, how was the show? How was the show, ma'am?
Good.
good? I messed up, but still.
It was very good. Goosebumpsy.
Goosebumpsy? Which word is that? New word. Guru, how was the all of us are very tired because we didn't have sleep for over 3 hours. Not over 3 hours. What am I saying? Like only 3 hours we had sleep, so all of us are going to the dorm and going to sleep. So we will see you guys in our second show. So guys, let's we are getting ready for show number 2. Time is 5:35, and we have a show at 6. So we are continuously doing makeup and stuff. I'm almost ready. I just have to put the pants stick down. And yes, I will see you after the second show. Guys, we finished our second show. It's going to be dark. So we finished our second show and now we are running towards where are we going? To have food. Yeah. So because the mess will close anytime soon. So we are going there. Do you have anything to say? Einstein play. It's 3 shows done, heading back, but lunch is Davangere Benne Dosa. So we're going into the bus, everything loaded. Let's go. Purvika, how is the Josh? All done? All okay? Miss Einstein.
Einstein is very
Do you have anything to say, Sahitya ka?
hilarious Einstein. Very, very hilarious Einstein.
She slept up on stage.
Akka,
ಏ ರಿತಿಕಾ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ ನಿನ್ ಕಾಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಓ ನಿನ್ ಕಾಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರು ಯಾರೇ ಅದು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆನ್ನಿದು
ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ನಾವು ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆ ತಿಂದು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಈಗ.
ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು
ಯಾಕೆ
and I feel very happy that our plays went well. I feel
3 shows.
3 shows. So what are we going to say right now?
ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ,
Comment ಮಾಡಿ and if
I
you
am
want-
here. I am here only for reaction.
I will see you guys in the next vlog. And one more thing, comment if you want to see our
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋ
show.
Albert Einstein.
So bye bye.
Einstein, Albert, Grassman.
Grassman. Bye bye.